Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and today we're going to unpackage and review a case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which I purchased on AliExpress. I'll link in the description to where you too can purchase this wonderful no brand, no real name case, which offers Magsafe compatibility and lens protection for your iPhone 15 Pro Max. This case is also available for other models of iPhone, so check out the link in the description below and go crazy with your AliExpress shopping, as long as you're patient enough to wait a few weeks for delivery. Right then, packaging is pretty simple, plastic bag, and on the inside we have a little bit of styrofoam keeping the case there. And first thing you notice is there is what seems to be a circle of magnets on the inside of the case. Let's see how that works in a moment. But another thing that's important to be aware of, there is extra glass here protecting the lenses to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is particularly important if you tend to put your phone down on a surface. And in terms of lightness, it's extremely light. It feels nice and light. So let's put my iPhone 15 Pro Max in blue titanium into the case, and first impressions are quite positive. It fits. Now, there are a couple of little plastic blemishes here on the case. It's not entirely smooth, so a bit of low quality case here. But in terms of functionality, it seems to do the job. Let's have a look at how the iPhone 15 Pro Max performs in this case. Key thing to test is always power button. Is it sticky or not? In the sense that, does it stay stuck in or does it take a lot of pushing to work? No, it works as expected. Now, once we've done that, we can try the volume rocker. Volume up works, volume down works. Good to see that is as expected. And let's try that action button, which is an exclusive to the iPhone 15 Pro and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. That works as expected as well. So in terms of base case functionality, this works great. There's no cutouts on the top level of the phone. On the right, we just have that power button, and then at the bottom, we have space for a lanyard loop. Very handy that, if you do wish to wear your iPhone like a necklace. At the bottom we have cutouts or a grill for the asymmetric speaker and microphone holes and that USB Type-C port. On the left, as we saw, the volume rocker up and down and that button for the action button or the programmable button. And on the back, you'll see that we have the camera module well protected with lens screen covers and the appropriate cutouts for the other sensors and flash. Now, where the Magsafe magnets are, which we saw on the inside of the phone, there seems to be a bit of a sort of embossing or it's raised. No, it's actually raised compared to the rest of the case. Now, you can't see this probably due to the brightness of that yellow part of the case. You can see that I went from the orange to yellow or yellow to orange gradient case. This is also available in other colors from the AliExpress link that I'll add in the description to this video. But I thought it was quite catching and makes it quite recognizable in a situation where most people have the same phone and are maybe sitting at a table. So, recognizable case I quite like. Now, as I said at the beginning, this is a case that supports Magsafe, or declares it does. Let's see how it handles my Magsafe charger from Journey, which we reviewed quite a while ago now here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. So, it clips in perfectly, it charges. It's strong enough to hold up the iPhone 15 Pro Max whilst clamped to the magnet. So I'm good with that. If that works, I'm happy. Only downside I'd say is that your screen itself doesn't get that much protection. You can see there isn't that much of a lip between the edge of the case and the screen itself. But if you have a glass screen protector on your iPhone, that shouldn't be too much of a problem. Okay then, I think overall this case, for the price, it's less than £2 sterling at the time of purchase, with free delivery to the UK, is a pretty good bargain. As I said, there's a selection of colours available. Check out the link in the description below, but I can say this is a decent case from what I've seen. Please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more of our content about consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and pretty much anything else we think makes the travel experience better. And if you have any further questions, feel free to leave us a comment in the section below. But for now, thanks for watching, and goodbye from me.